Well, thank you, Shoto. Nice to meet you. Thanks for letting me be here with you today. So my name is Matt Everett. I'm from Go Engineer. One of the things that I wanted to show to you today was our 3D printing. Okay, you're familiar with 3D printers?
I just know 3D printer, but I'm not sure specifically what is the features and then what is the benefit.
Okay. Well, what I want to do today is show you why 3D printers are so important for you to have, how you're going to be able to use it, and how much time and money you're going to be able to save. Okay. Before I start, I want to tell you a story. We had a customer named Buck, and he owned a machine shop very similar to you. And he had a piece this size. You see this right here? This completely ruined his day, because what he would do is he would ship these. This is just kind of a prototype. This would say, you know, you're shipping a motor. This is the box that you'd ship a motor in. Okay. So what you have to do is this piece works with your machine that then wraps this box before it can get shipped off. Does that make sense? So, but what happened was this one piece broke. It wore out. It wasn't able to use it. I mean, that's probably happened a couple of times in your company where different pieces have broken and then they don't work. What happened was, because this broke, his machine stopped working and then his production stopped. Now I had one or two options. One, stop production completely, take 2 or 3 days to wait for this piece to get there, and then fix it and go back to work. But luckily he had a 3D printer. He actually purchased this same one, and he was able to reprint. So this was the piece that he had, and honestly this thing ruined his day, like I said. He was able to print with our printer the exact same piece with the same with durability that could be used in the machine, as well as he was able to print 15 other pieces identical to that piece. So he didn't have to wait 3 to 4 days. It took him about 40 minutes to design, and then he was able to print it, fix it overnight. The next day his machine was back and fixed, and he was able to use that printer. So you can see how many times a piece is broken in your company, your office, that could be fixed literally like that. So now, kind of explain how it works. This is a software that we would work with you with. This software, you can design any piece you want. So any type of machinery, anything that could break, you could design a piece that would help fix it. The other thing, like I said, it's going to be able to help you meet those deadlines, because if a product fails, you fail, your customers don't have the pieces in time. So you'll always be able to have this printer ready to go. It's going to save you money, because you're not going to have to wait 2 or 3 days before your inventory runs out. And then obviously price. This is going to be a little bit more expensive of a printer than one you buy at Smith's or at Target or Walmart. It is a $50,000 printer, but that also includes the software and some of the material you need to print. You can do a payment plan. It's typically a 2-year payment plan, so it's about $2,000 a month. But you do have a limited or a full factory warranty on it. So if there are any problems with it, we come in and fix it for free. Now our goal, like I said, is also to show you how to use it, why it's important, and how much money it's going to save you. Because our goal is to help keeping things moving in your company. If a problem happens, you can fix it with a 3D printer. And what I'd like to do is bring in, or have you come into our office, bring some of your designs, we'll print them out for you, and you can take them back and test them with your products. How does that sound?
It looks good. So how, if we gonna order this machine, how you guys can give it to us? Like,
yep, so we'll ship it to you, and we'll come in and install it with you. It'll have that software ready to go. But I'd like for you to come in, that way we can do a little bit of training on it, help you figure out how to use it. That way, when something does break, you know exactly how to use it.
So is this, how much often can I make one product, one 3D printers for, how many products can we make one just printing?
Yep, you can make as many products as you want. If you have a product that breaks, say you have a certain aspect of your machine it breaks, all you need to do is plug it into our software, just like I showed you right here. Plug it into that software, and we'll teach you how to do that. And you can create the exact same product to dimensions, and then put it back into place. So any product you need, whatever it is, even if it's kind of funky looking, we can print it for you.
I think this product will help our company, so it
Perfect.
looks good.
Well, we will meet with you next week.
Mhm.
And would Friday be okay?
Yeah, it will be good.
Perfect. Thank you very much, Shoto.
You're very